Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to calculate how many meters or yards of yarn did you use knitting your project, and what is the weight of this yarn. I mean, not how thick it is, but like literally how much grams or ounces did you use. As long as I am from Ukraine, so I will use meters and grams. We need to have simple kitchen scales for this. They are quite precise and they will fit us perfect for this purpose. Before we start to knit, we need to weight our yarn that we have, yeah? Like for example, if it's a small project. But if we are going to knit something big, I will recommend you to weight all yarn you have of this type or color, because we never know how many we will use. And actually we are doing this to be more confident about how big our stashes are, about how much yarn do we need to knit this or other project. So yeah, the first one is the initial amount. In this case it's 108 grams, yeah. Then we were knitting, we have done, and we have a leftover, and we weight this leftover. This is our leftover, and this is 24 grams. Now we can calculate how many grams or ounces of yarn did we use. We need to minus the leftover from the initial amount. So it will be 48 grams, right? Yeah. Then we need to take a label, yeah, from our yarn, and there is information how many meters and yards are in this case this is in 50 grams. So this is 100 meters in 50 grams. So our D will be 8 meters, 100 meters in 50 grams. And now we can calculate how many meters of yarn did we use. So our 100 meters we divide on this, yeah, because this is this. If we don't have 100, so we have 50, and it will be 2. And now we need to multiply 2 on our grams. It will be 168 meters, our meterage we used. This is our key characteristics of used yarn: grams and meters. If you use yarn held together in 2 or 3 times, it really doesn't matter, you just do the same, and meters will be right when you will calculate all this. And if you have an item that was knitted with 2 colors or more colors, or with 2 types of yarn which were held together, for example, you need to do all the same but separately for each type of yarn. And so this is more precise when you calculate it like this. But sometimes there are moments when you missed and you didn't weigh your yarn before you started to knit. So you take your item, put it on scale. So we have 74 grams. Then we need to know how many meters in one skein. It's 50-gram skein and it contains 100 meters. And now we divide those meters on grams in one skein, and there is 2 meters per gram. And now we can multiply this on our weight. And it will be 148 meters of yarn in this hat. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching me. I hope I was clear enough. I really tried to. It's not the complicated matter, but it demands a lot of words. I wish you a very good day. See you soon, guys. Goodbye.